students, now we are going to studying about 12th standard computer science chapter 6 last topic jump statements in Python. Okay, it is jump statement is used to unconditionally transfer the control from one part of the program to another part of the program. This is the definition of jump statement. What is jump statement? Jump statement is used to unconditionally transfer the control from one part of the program to another part of the program. Okay, there are three kinds of jump statements in Python programming. First one break, second one continue, third one pause. Break, continue, pause. That's are three kinds of jump statements. What is break statement? The break statement terminates the loop containing it. Control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. The control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. Okay. The control is immediately pass. Control is immediately transfer. The control flows of the program can be transferred immediately after the body of the loop. One loop to another loop transfer. Okay, so this situation using break statement. Okay, when the break statement is executed, the control flow of the program comes out of the loop. When the break statement is executed, control of the program comes out of the loop and state executing the segment of code after the loop structure. After the loop structure. Okay, this is the syntax. What is the syntax? Only break. Break is a keyword. This is the syntax of break statement. The block diagram, condition is true, break statement is executed. Condition is false, go to exit. Okay. Next, break statement is yes. Break statement returns the value of yes. Next, loop is end, exit. The break statement is false, no, remaining body of the loop is executed. Okay, so this is the break statement. Next, break statement has even skipped the else part of the loop and it has transferred the control to the next line of the loop block. The break statement has been skipped the else part of the loop. Skip the else part of the loop. It does not execute the else part of the program. Okay, break statement does not execute the else part of the program, but its control transfer to the next line of the loop block. Okay, this is example. Let us see here. For word in jump statement. For word in jump statement, if word equal to e, the word is break to E. Okay, break. Next word is E is break. Print word end equal to else, print end of the loop. Print slash and end of the program. What is the output? Jump state. Word E is end. E is jump state. Break, which line? Which word is what is the word to be break? E. Okay, E is end. So jump stat is your output. Next, loop is execution, transfer, control is go to the next line of loop, not executed else part. Okay, this part is does not be executed, so control is go to next loop. Print slash and end of the program. So output is end of the program. Okay, so this is the break statement.